friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. Today I have a little unboxing video for you. This is from my friends at Your Creative Studio. They have sent me another one of their subscription boxes, so we're just going to open it up together and see what's inside. I have no idea, so this will be fun. All right, here we go. Always they put this sweet little card in, and then this lovely little piece of tissue paper. And then the fun begins. Ooh, this is looking really good. I'm just going to take everything out of the box like this. I think it'll be easier in the long run. I love the color palette already. This says this is washi tape. Ooh, that's pretty. This is nice for summer. Look, I'm going to put this down on my craft mat so you can see it. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's bees. Look at there. It's bees. All right, this is a stamp. Oh, it's 3 stamps. Oh, look, there's a sweet little jar of honey. There's a bee and honeycomb and a larger jar of honey. I like those a lot. That's really pretty. You know me, I love bees. How fun is this? Oh, and there's more in there. Oh, this is a really pretty one with bees on a blossom. Oh, look at this adorable bookmark charm. That is sweet. Can you see that with the honeycomb and the bees and the little flower? That's precious. And these are, let's open it up and see. I'm not sure. They look like acetate sheets. Oh, yeah. Oh, these are stickers, I think. Look how beautiful. These are the kind that disappear, but they have these little holographic sparkles in them. Oh, that's pretty. This is, it looks like a little matchbox. Let's see if there's anything in it. Oh my goodness, look how precious. All these little tickets. Oh, this is beautiful. I have to look. Oh, how fun is that? And then this sweet little, this is all vellum bits in here. Oh, not all vellum. Some are paper, some are vellum. Little things. This is for little things. That's sweet. Then these little bee see-through stickers. You can color these with ink and they're pretty cool. And this looks like origami paper, honeycomb origami paper. And this is another little memo pad. That is so sweet. And this is just little, this looks like just little 3x3 squares of paper. Oh, look how sweet that is. And then all these beautiful papers. Wow, I love the bee theme. All right, I'm gonna have to put my thinking cap on and come up with something for us to make together. Or maybe I'll just make it myself and come back and show you. I just came off that huge tutorial, so I'm kind of feeling like alone crafting time is not a bad thing. I have an idea in my head and I will come back and share it with you when it's finished. This is Your Creative Studio, the bee themed box. All right, so a little bit of time has gone by. I came down with a summer cold and kind of had to put things aside, and actually kind of forgot about this, and then when I was cleaning up the studio I found it. So today I finished up this little folio. I've stitched burlap onto the cover, and then this is actually product packaging that I covered with washi tape and one of the little see-through stickers. and then decorated it up with some Rene Bouquet's bees. I think these are the sugar bees, and one of her beautiful beehives. And then this is a Prima flower that I had in my stash, some waxed thread, a little sunflower charm, this little charm, and a little honeycomb charm. Oh, also this honeycomb is Rene Bouquet's. So let's untie this. I added a ribbon closure, and I'll show you what's inside, just to give you some ideas of what you can do. So over here, I created just a little photo area. You can just put any little photo, or you can write a sentiment there, whatever you want. This is also product packaging, and I just covered up the Your Creative Studio information with the washi tape and trimmed it to fit this little panel, and added one of the little ephemera bits here. These are from this little book of all these sweet little botanical images, and I used my postage stamp stickers to cut them out, scissors, postage stamp scissors, to cut them out so they look like postage. Here is the front cover, and I created a slash pocket, and I put the cute sticky notes on the pocket, and then inside the pocket I created a set of little note cards. So these are just real sweet. These are just 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I just cut up the papers on the cover, and then on the inside I just added a little cream cardstock panel and used one of the stamps to stamp the image. So, and then there's envelopes that go with. And I created this little belly band, and again put one of those cute honeybee labels on here. So this lives in this front pocket. Then this flips out, and on this little flap page I layered a couple of the 3x4 text papers and stamped on them with the different postage stamps, colored in a little bit with colored pencils, and then added more images from that little botanical book. This flips out, and I did a little kinetic waterfall over here, which is still drying, so I'm being a little ginger with it. Here's a standard pocket, and this has another little, this is one of the storage envelopes. This is one of the envelopes that I think stamps came in, and I just covered it with paper, added one of those little botanical images and put it in here. This would be a great place to keep postage stamps. And then I just took some scrap paper and put it together to make a little scratch pad to go in here. So that's that pocket. And then over here, this is another belly band. I'm holding everything in with a little piece of washi tape, so I will pull out. This is what the bookmark charm was attached to. So I covered it with designer paper. I stamped it with the bee stamps, and then I covered it with clear gesso just to make it really strong and sturdy. And it is covered on both sides. Then I just punched a hole, added a jump ring, and of course this goes inside your book and this goes outside your book. Then I took a piece of this little tissue paper and made a little wee tissue paper envelope with a teeny tiny little folio inside that I just collaged some goodies up, and then this just goes inside. And then this is what I need to unhook. This is one of the other envelopes, and I just put this in there for storage, because if you were using, this would be great to put receipts in, or postage stamps, or any little ephemera type goodie can go in there. So that is what I did with this fun box, bee-themed box from Your Creative Studio. I will be sure to link to the box on my blog, and I will also link to my blog in the description box below. So thanks for being patient. I know it took me a while to get back to this, but hopefully worth the wait. I just think this is such a pretty collection. It's good for summer, and it's also good for fall. It would work into fall, and this would make a great gift. All right, guys, that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for Your Creative Studio. Go get your craft on. Bye.